Back in Camarillo, and we're starting with New Balance because 40% off, fools. And I've been addicted to their running shoes, and I need a pair. See some 1440s right here. Definitely not what I'm looking for. 50 bucks though, good price. Fuel Cell Rebels, not the size I'm looking for. 110. Not seeing any performance shoes. Seeing 990s here for way cheap. 120, an extra 40% off. 997s go for 60 bucks, 40 off. 990s up here, size 8, 120, 40 off. I just knocked down the sign. I had to throw that back on. 998s right here. Look at these 998s. These are 998s. Okay. 80 bucks, made in the USA for $80, 40 off. Like I said, looking for performance stuff. Do got 1080s. These are women's pairs right here. They got them in wide, they got them in regular. 130, 40 off. This is the same colorway right here. Yeah, 130. I think the midsole is slightly different. But yeah, 130, 40 off. And also got these as well, 130, 40 off. Now we're in the women's clearance section. I've been getting pretty lucky here lately. They got fresh foam Moors right here for 100 bucks. I already have this colorway at home. They got quite a few sizes of these. These go down to $60 after the discount. These are the fresh foam Moor V5s. The V6s just came out. I don't know if there's that much of a difference, to be honest. I haven't done all the research, but definitely looking for a pair of those for cheap. 200 for these are the elites, right? Yeah, these are the elites, the super comp elites right there, 2 bills. So 120 after discount. Wait, what's going on over here? 155 for this colorway. 1080s, 150. Am I not gonna find anything? These 1080s right here go for 150, and these are 150. Yeah, 1080s right here. That's a dope colorway. But 40% off, still not bad, even off of retail. Damn, they had some cheap V13s last time. Not seen them. Got these right here, but I'm pretty sure they're not gonna have these in any big size. I'm gonna ask them, but I already know it's gonna be a no. All right, I did have them check this pair right here. This is size 13. I think this is a 1080 V13. No, they can't order that one. So we're throwing these back. And the women's, they don't have this one in a size 12 women's either. All right, I have this one. I'm gonna see if they can check something for me. See if they could order this in any other colorway at this price or anything comparable, anything close. All right, they said price-wise, they can't really match anything else online. It's whatever you find here. They can order whatever you find here for that price, but they can't like search anything up by this price online. But so yeah, we'll see. What's this over here? I see this, and this one's going for 130, 50% off. I see a bunch of size 10s and stuff. I might get this one. This would be $80 because it is 130. You do get an extra 40% off. So I think this color is pretty freaking dope. If I can find this in a size 12 wide, I think I'm gonna have to grab it. They have a size 11 wide right here, or actually it's 11 narrow. It's 11 narrow since it is a women's. I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna see if I can have them order me a wide, maybe. I don't know. Oh, they got some D's right here, which are the wides. And then, I don't know, it's weird because that one's a D and then that one's a medium. But unfortunately, the one they have here for size 11, the only size 11/9.5 men's is a medium. So it is a narrower one. Yeah, I really like the color on this one, powder blue. I think even the narrow one is fine, but I would like a wider one. So I'm gonna see if they can order me one of these. I think this is worth $80. Yeah, the 1080s and then the fresh foam Moors, kind of my favorite shoe right now. So I'm kind of going a little obsessive, or I'm getting a little obsessive with them. I like these. I really like these. See if they can order me one. Finally, I did it. Grab these bad boys. Wait, let's see how much it came out to. So they did have those in a wide as well as the extra wide. So the E as well as the 2 E's as well as the D's. And the final price came out to $78. 78 bucks. You can see it does 1080 V14s right here. And I got the 2 E's, which is the extra wide. Yeah, I was able to get them for 40% off, 130. Such a good price. And The reason I like getting stuff here, you can return it at the stores. They don't charge for shipping. So yeah, so I was able to get my pair. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This was one of the other pairs I was checking out. $130 for these right here. $130. You do get an extra 40% off, I believe. Maybe not. Maybe not now that I think about it. This is chilling right here. Maybe not, because there's no sticker or nothing. Oh wait, yeah, those you don't get 40% off because there's no yellow sticker on it. The 40% off stuff, there's always yellow stickers on. But yeah, let's knock out the men's clearance section and then we'll check out the aisles. We got 998s right here. Size 12, these bad boys right here, made in the USA. Going for 80 bucks, and you get another 40% off. That's what, 48 bucks. More fuel cells, go for 110. And of course this came off again. It's a magnet right there. 50 for these 237, 50 bucks, 40 off. At these 998s right here, 2 bills for these bad boys right here. These are made in the USA as well. Size 14, 70 bucks for these 480s. 580s for 100 bucks right here. Size 10. 1000s go for 100 bucks. 550s 100. 213s. Some skate shoes, 50 bucks. But yeah, all about these 990 deals. Pretty freaking insane to find made in the USA gear here for so freaking cheap. 120, 40% off. And the 997s right here going for freaking 60 bucks. That is crazy. That is an 8.5. And these 10.5s down here, 990s, 100 bucks, so $60. 574s, extra long hair suede, 90 bucks, 40 off. Size 11s. 550s right here, 90 bucks. More 998s, and they give you the full box too. Moving on to the aisles, I see a lot of yellow tags, which means 40% off. These are the Rishis. Those were off at $60. These are off at 70, 480s. 997 off at 60 bucks. 574s, 2002 Rs. This one's a pretty dope colorway, 145. 130, 40% off. What's the actual price on that? I'm too lazy to do the math. I don't know, but it's pretty good freaking price. Probably what, 75 bucks? Another 1906. These are the Levi collabs right here. Levi 580s. Got plenty of sizes, all smaller though, 8.5 and below. And then 550s, another one of those. Got an all white one, T500s, another Terminator one right here, 1000s, another one right here. This is a suede model right here, 998s. And do got plenty of other models. None of these are 40% off, unfortunately, but got plenty of stuff here. Most of their deals are buy one get one 50% off. That includes the super comp trainers right here, and a lot of 1080s not included in the promotion. So I'll show you guys how much of a steal I got. This all black one right here. I'm so mad I missed out on the Fresh Foam Moors. Like, it was pretty much this colorway, and yeah, it was so freaking cheap. God damn it, dude. Moving on to the women's sizes over here, where we got the Fresh Foam Moors, 130, 40% off. Came out to what, 78 bucks something? Kind of the same but slightly different. And then these are the ones I grabbed right here. And then they got these 1906s at 860s right here. I think this is like their stability shoe. This is a ton of plastic and like a lot more rigid. Got the 880s, a little less cushioning than the 1080s. I believe the second digit, like the last two digits, the 80s, I think that's their road shoes. Then the 60s, I believe that's their stability shoes. And they changed the name schemings for these. This is the Rebel line right here, the V4s. This is slightly more of a speed shoe than the 1080s. And do got another 1080 V14 right here. I do have this one. This has been my daily trainer. Mine's a trashed, like aesthetically. Like the foam's actually doing really well and everything's all, but like the color's just all jacked up. I paid $150 and then got 50% off that weekend. They're $130, 40% off right now. So I think slightly similar deal. And then the women's clearance section, I really like these right here. They're $150. They're a little bit more. They would probably be like $15, $20 more. That's probably easier to match stuff with. Did the math. This comes out to about 90 bucks. So such a good deal. These, I think the list price is $165, and then I think the newer version, I think they're climbing up in price. I don't think they've announced it yet, but the Fresh Foam Moors, the V6s, they came out at $10 more than last year's version. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same for the 1080s, but we don't know yet. We don't know yet. 550s right here, size 8.5, 110. These are the ones I checked. Oh no, these aren't the ones I checked. 1080 V14's 150. Or you get 40% off all these yellow sticker ones. $90 off the 327s. 880s going for $100. Rebels, $70. $70. Oh, these come out to 100, so they're marked a little different. $70, and then you get 40 off. That might be the cheapest we've seen anywhere. I do like these, and they're like a little more responsive, but the cushioning not as cushiony as the ones I got. Yeah, I need a lot of cushioning. My feet are all jacked up. But yeah, these ain't bad. They're not bad. They're super responsive. All right, I think we're done. And was that a fumble? Was that a fumble? Was that a fumble? Ooh, or was already contact? I don't know. I just realized that this game's going on. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna miss the game. Oh no. This is one of my favorite spots right now. Didn't find the best deals, but I was able to get something that I really wanted. All right, let's move on to the next spot. Then, of course, I got to check on this spot before I hit the gym. Then that was an interception and a fumble. What the hell? That was crazy. Then, of course, we have to start on the back wall. 30% off clearance. And I'm actually coming to the women's section, see if they have any solid deals, just like at the first store. Got some Jordan boots right here. What the hell? What the hell? That is wild. Made out of faux pony hair. That is crazy. Looks like something that Prince would wear way back when. These are 10.5, 1. Oh, I'm sorry. These are size 10.5, 110 for those. 70 for the free Metcon 6s. Blazers, $40. Oh, these Pegasus are still here, way cheap. They come out to what, $35 after the savings. Oh, the Pegasus Trails, these are going for $35, so way cheap. And then do got these Air Max DNs, $115. Other since the Juniper Trails, not really seeing too much. Jordan 1, low OGs 110, but I think that's about it. All right, back to the men's section over here. Saw some Jordan boxes right here, man. They got me. Jordan 2 3s, 110. These are size 10. They got the weird scorpion looking shoe. Oh, this ain't even the right size because I'm in the size 10 section. But yeah, 209 still. What the hell? That's a size 5? Someone on some good stuff. What the hell? 130 for the Jordan 4 RM. Someone mentioned in the comment section these look like Jordan 4 lows. 10.5 Air Max 90s going for $60. Holy cow, that's definitely a good price. LeBron's going for 80. At the Vomero Roams 130. The Air Max 1s. The camo going for 65. Aluminum foils 55 still. Another, what are these? The Vomero Roams going for $80. I think that's the cheapest we've seen them. And we saw a bunch of these last time. Still got these Jordan 1 Niners colorway right here. These are up to 70 now. Got some mids. Patent leather 90. All right, still got 30% off the clearance apparel. And we saw these last week. I was like, if the price went down, maybe. But yeah, $60 for the Mamba jackets. It's just so thin. Quality is just so weak. Got smalls. Last week they had them in mediums and larges. Those have sold out. They still got this Justin Jefferson jersey right here. This is a small, and apparently I fit in a small jersey because I did try this on 2 weeks ago and it actually fit. I was like, whoa, that's crazy. But yeah, $130 for these. And I say that because last season I used to wear large. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, I do got women's. That's for the women's team right here, the U.S. soccer team, $95. Is this a bunch of Kobe merch right here? The Mamba Mentality merch, $60? $60. Medium thickness. The quality on this is 10 times better. 10 times better than the ones over there. These are all talls though. Large, XL. This is all the XL talls. They got regular larges. They got mediums. They got small. $60 for all these. Just have the Mamba logo. And I think the white ones are all gone because they have the pants. They have the pants for 60, but yeah, not bad, not bad. All right, let's knock out the back wall. Is he just throwing the Walker, nobody else? Is it the Kenneth Walker show today? What the hell? He's gotten all the rushes and all the passes. What the hell? All the receptions. Size 9 is apparently it's all calm slides as well as Vomeros and Air Max 90s going for 45. Vomeros 85. Air Max 90s going for 80. Plenty of these Jordan 2.3s. Laser Low acronym still got these going for 40. These have been here forever. $45. Someone else returned one of these LeBron Dion Diamond Turfs right here, $150. These are size 9. Size 8, got all kinds of LeBrons. And these LeBrons go for 85. Same price for these, 85. And then I was like, are these the Dunks? No, the Safari. What the hell are these? The PS8s? Yeah, what the hell is that? I have no clue what that is. Interesting pair right there, 130. GT Cut 3 Turbos, 210, way too much. Someone found those at Ross for hella cheap, 130 for these. Size 11, so we got a million of these. Same stuff as the smaller sizes. Same price as well. Air Max Plus on the left go for 90. Jordan Farm Breads right here go for 130. Air Max 90 Golf 70. Moving up to the 12s. Got Calms as well as these down here, $100. LeBrons, we saw these way cheap. I think even cheaper. They're going for 80 here. They were cheaper at Chic. Hopefully they're still having their 20% off. I have not checked, so I cannot verify if that's true or not right now, or still valid. $100 for those still. Air Max 180s go for 75. DNs 120. Lunar Roams go for 60. Size 13s, finally starting to see some extended size right here. Extended size pricing, $50 right here in the 14s. Zoom Freaks right here, $40. Not finding much heat though, to be really honest. Luca 77s. Wait, $77, that's the cheapest we've seen these. Or $70, my bad. 70, 30 off. Definitely the cheapest we've seen these size 13s. But yeah, bigger size, not seeing too much quality. Pegasus 2005s, 75, got a bunch of those. Got the Tatums, $50 right here. This might be the cheapest we've seen these. $80 for Air Max 270s. Let's see what I got on feet. Do got on some Adidas. Yeah, I just came here directly from work, dude. Directly from work, so I got some Adidas skate shoes on. These are the Tayshaun ones right here, all suede. Glad it didn't rain. It said maybe it might rain. I was like, oh no. And then I came straight from work. So business casual today. Got a polo, got some dress pants. All right, checking the aisles. I don't know, I've come here 3 weeks in a row and I didn't really see too many new things in the aisles. Still got the UNCs right here. No additional discount, no additional discounts for those either. Do got the Monopolies, got 9.7 on those, so get an extra discount on those eventually. See if these went down in price. No additional discounts on that yet. But yeah, pretty much the same thing as last week. And then of course have to pay attention to these. If these go on sale, definitely gonna have to grab one of these. I kind of want these at a discount. Women's section, seeing a bunch of Dunks, stuff like that. See what's going on in the clearance section right here. 130 for the Invincible Flyknit 3s. Got a bunch of these Vomeros, different size, 115. Got these bad boys. These are a size 9. They look so freaking small. But yeah, I do got the, what are these? The Satin Shadow 2.0s, 130. Another Vo. Oh, the V2K. I thought these were Vomeros. No, these were going for $70. Trying to get rid of those. Canvas Dunks, 55. Dang it. I think I saw these Dunks last week. I thought they were dirty as hell. $70. Jordans, 100. More of these Invincible runs. Alright, not much craziness going on the women's. I gotta get the hell out of here. Why? Because I gotta go home. Gotta take my kiddo to the gym. Gotta go work out. Hopefully catch a little bit of the game. And then still gotta edit this video so I can get it to you guys first thing tomorrow morning. That's my life, man. Always got a million things to do. Alright, we out, man. We out.